Good afternoon, my name is Jolie Webster and I will be presenting my group project ACE Global Perspectives project on transportation. I individually did road management and maintenance within transportation, but I had two other group mates within the transportation issues, Michael Kramer, who did road safety, and Carol Mills, who did pollution within transportation. My introduction. Firstly, to build upon this topic, I'll explain to you what road management includes. It's basically a myriad of traffic systems, such as road maintenance, rehabilitation, geometric improvements, upgrades, and etc., taking into consideration the amount of lives on the road system holds alone. Directing this aspect of life is a huge responsibility. This PowerPoint's intention is to shine light on the effects of road management to encourage solutions to current worldwide issues in relation to traffic management and transportation. Firstly, engineers consider a variety of aspects while planning roadways, including a sufficient recovery zone that includes drivers who have gone off the road safely to return to it. When there are traffic jams or car crashes, they have to consider cars and where they pull off during roads. Guardrails to keep drivers safe from steep embankments and other roadside hazards, such as blizzards, storms, and curves that can be navigated in appropriate speeds, such as going above the speed limit and trying to get off the road while at a higher speed or lower speed. Motorists moving in opposite directions are separated by medians. If the median is too low or not located appropriately, it makes it possible for cars to cross into oncoming traffic. A car can be totaled or bounce back into traffic if the median is too overly stiff. Motorists are warned of the laws of the road as well as anomalies or other hazards. It is possible that old damaged signals will not be replaced. Types of road conditions. There are many types of road conditions. One of the most common road conditions you can find almost anywhere are potholes. If there are missing chunks from the road, this can cause an accident to happen. Other road conditions include ice patches, which are just icy patches on the road, which can cause cars to slip and crash into others. Shoulder drop-off, which is a change in elevation of the road. Oil and chip, a surface treatment that combines one or more layers of salt with one or more layer of aggregate. And construction work zones and slick roads, which is basically a slippery area on the road, which can be caused by rain, snow, hail, etc. The cause of accidents. Poor road conditions can cause fatal car accidents. Although potholes and icy patches on the road may not seem that much of a problem, they can contribute to poor driving conditions and create safety hazards for drivers. Accidents could be caused include broken bones, neck and back injuries, spinal cord injuries, head trauma, permanent scarring, permanent disability and/or paralysis, and emotional trauma, etc. Improving road design. These tips or recommendations were given to me by the website natlawreview.com. They are not my own, however, I do agree with the circumstances of these roadway designs. So first, we can install rumble strips. Roadway engineers or updating highways and roadways should install a rumble strip on shoulders and center lines that warn motorists of lane departure by producing a loud noise when tires hit the strip and cause vehicles to vibrate. Install median barriers. Since roadway engineers first began installing median barriers to separate opposing traffic on the divided highways, the strong structures have reduced the numbers of cross-median accidents. And redesign roads with safety edges. Installing a roadway safety is an effective paving design that is constructed with a 35-degree slope along the outer edge of the road so that there is a decrease in cars falling off over the edge. Roads can have both positive and negative impacts on people and the environment. On one hand, the roads provide opportunity for mobility and transportation of people and goods, and on the other, roads occupy land resources and create barriers against animals. The main effects of road management are noise, dust, vibration, and waste. Noise. The road conditions affect the noise levels. For example, consider the sounds created by cars on roads that are in poor condition. A level of consideration must be given to road work. If road work to create noise, the noise may cause disturbance, irritation, and add stress to livestock. A rather simple way to manage this problem is to advise people that are likely to be affected. This may be achieved by delivering leaflets with information or creating notice boards. Vibration. Vibrations disturb people close to the roads and could also cause damage to buildings and sensitive equipment. Vibrations cause damage to geological and archaeological objects. Some sources of vibrations are uneven roads with potholes and differential frost heaves. Vibrations are most likely to be caused by road work, so a solution similar to the noise would be to notify persons that encounter that road about the planned road work with the reason and duration. Unnecessary high vibration sources such as compaction with heavy vibration rollers or bedrock blasting should be utilized minimally in built-up areas. Methods of equipment that minimizes vibration should therefore be employed, although this may be a difficult process. Closer hole spacings and lighter charges should be used if possible in blasting operations to reduce vibrations. Dust. Dust is an almost unavoidable result of road work. In most cases, dust are caused from geological material, and it should not be environmentally harmful to the landscape. However, it should be in mind that dust does spread to waterways and may affect aquatic life. When driving back and forth, dust can be kept from the ground to the air and be pushed into waterways, which can cause a reaction in the oceans and cause aquatic life to be affected negatively by said dust. Dust can be treated by either watering alternative material choices or by using dust binders. And because dust binders could affect groundwater, they should be used with extra caution and care. Waste. Waste can be defined as substance or objects which the holder discards, intends to discard, or is required to discard. Waste can arise in many ways: packaging materials, residual road structure materials, oil from machines, etc. The type of waste can also classify how it affects the environment. For example, active waste, like oil residues or batteries, and can cause some dangerous to life and explosive flammable waste. Reducing waste always costs money. Most countries make special charges or tax on waste that go into landfills. On top of these prices, costs can also be involved in transportation. The economic cost of waste is an important reason why it should be avoided. Poor waste management costs time and money. When on roads, it is always important to check your car and check your leaks. And this is my annotated bibliography. Thank you.